If you haven't heard already, the GRE removed the argument task from the AWA section. So that means you have one shot at making your essay really count, the issue task. So let's talk about it. Hey everyone, Aideni from Magoosh here. If you've been following our videos, you know we covered the quant section and the verbal section. So today it's time to talk about the GRE Analytical Writing Assessment, or the AWA section. I'm going to cover some ways to effectively prepare for the essay so that you can finish in time and do your very best. Plus, I have an exciting update about a new AI-powered essay grading tool from Magoosh that you can try for free today. So stay tuned for that. First things first, let's talk about the new AWA format. So like I mentioned before, there used to be two tasks, the argument task and the issue task. But now that the argument task is gone, you only need to focus on one, the issue task. So you have 30 minutes to write a well-structured essay providing your perspective on a given topic. The goal is to show your ability to think critically and communicate ideas effectively. This change is actually great for test takers because it means you get to focus your time on one task instead of dividing your prep time between two different tasks. But that also means you really need to make your issue task shine. So let's dive into how you can master the issue task. So the first tip I have is to know your topics. There are some pretty regular patterns here, and the issue essay generally falls into one of these 7 categories: education, technology, cities, art, government and power, intellectual endeavors, and philosophy. Before test day comes, review these sample topics in the different areas so you become familiar with writing on these different subjects. ETS posts all possible issue tasks on their official website, which I'll link somewhere here. So instead of memorizing every possible essay, I would recommend perfecting your approach to each of these different categories and practice generating examples quickly on the spot. The next tip I have is to read the directions thoroughly. Each issue prompt comes with specific instructions, and even though it sometimes looks very similar, you can actually get a lower score by missing some critical components of what they're asking. And these differences can impact how you structure your essay. So pay attention to whether they're asking you to respond to objections or a specific example. If you've taken any standardized test with an essay, you know those 30 minutes go by so quickly. So here are some tips for time management. I would recommend breaking down the 30 minutes like this. So 2 minutes to read through the prompt and directions, 3 minutes to brainstorm and outline your ideas, 20 minutes to write the body paragraphs and give specific examples, then 2 minutes to edit any small mistakes, and 3 minutes if you have at the end to write an actual introduction. This will help you focus on the most critical parts of your essay while leaving some time at the end to edit and add that intro to really solidify your essay. So let's get into the actual writing part. The first step is to understand the prompt. Make sure you read the prompt carefully and understand what it's asking. Identify the central issue and decide your specific stance. Next, make sure you use clear examples. Supporting your essay with clear, relevant examples is crucial here. You can draw from personal experiences, historical scenarios, or even a hypothetical made-up situation, as long as it clearly supports your essay. Just make sure your examples are strong and clearly explained. Finally, write as much as you can. Length really matters for the GRE AWA, and longer essays tend to score higher as long as the ideas are coherent and well developed. So focus on writing as much high-quality content as you can within the time limit. Okay, it's your favorite time. Let's practice. So get your timer ready and set it for 30 minutes. Remember, the clock starts as soon as you see the prompt. Are you ready? Okay, let's do it. Here's the prompt. Write an essay on this topic. Science and technology will one day be able to solve all of society's problems. Make sure you follow our timing breakdown and outline your ideas thoroughly and give yourself at least 20 minutes to write the full essay. Focus on organizing your thoughts clearly and providing strong examples. This helps organize your thoughts and ensure your essay flows logically. Next, make sure you seek feedback. Getting feedback is so important, from asking a friend, a family member, teacher, or even going on online forums for constructive criticism. I really recommend that you get plenty of feedback on your essays, which leads to my next point, review and revise. So once you've got the feedback, make sure you incorporate that into your essays. Work on improving the clarity, coherence, and grammar. The more you review and revise, the better you'll get. And speaking of reviewing, if you've ever struggled to grade your AWA essays, whether you can't find someone to review it or you're just not sure what areas you need to improve in, I have something for you. I'm really excited to share about Magoosh's new AI-powered essay grading tool. Magoosh's AI essay grader will score your essay, provide detailed feedback, and even rewrite your essay to improve your score by 1 point. It's been rigorously tested against ETS samples, so you know you're getting accurate feedback. You can try this out with the new Magoosh GRE practice test, which I'll link in the description below. Not only will you get access to this amazing AI tool, but you'll also get a free full-length practice test with subject-by-subject score breakdowns and accurate score prediction. So I highly recommend you trying out this amazing free resource. And again, I'll leave the link in the description below. For my non-native English speakers or anyone who's not confident in their English skills, building a strong foundation here can really help you. And here are a few things that I recommend. One is just reading widely and regularly. I talk about this more in my verbal video, which I'll link here. But I recommend reading from places like the New York Times, The Economist, Atlantic, or any novels or books that you feel like have GRE level vocabulary. This will not only help you improve your vocabulary, but it'll expose you to a variety of different writing styles. Next, this one sounds like a given, but practice writing daily. The more you write, the better you'll get. Practice writing essays on different topics every day, whatever interests you, and use tools like Grammarly or any grammar checker to correct your essays and help you improve each time. Remember, getting feedback is super helpful, whether it's from an AI tool or from a person that you trust and know. And lastly, expand your vocabulary. Learning new words is key to writing well, so use apps like Quizlet, Anki, or even the Magoosh GRE vocab flashcards app to build up your vocabulary. So that's it for today. I hope you found this video helpful and that it makes you more confident in approaching the AWA section. Remember, it's only the issue task now, so follow the strategies I outlined here and I'm sure you'll do great. As always, if you like this video, please give it a like and subscribe for more tips from us. And don't forget to check out the AI-powered essay grader tool, which is part of our free GRE practice tests, and I'll link that in the description below. You'll get instant feedback and the AI-powered tool will help rewrite your essay to improve your score. So it's really cool. I highly recommend checking it out. And that's all for today. Best of luck with your studies, and I will see you in the next video.